Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will guide you on how to contact support on a Windows PC. To begin, visit our website and click on Support. Next, click on Contact Us. Before contacting us, you can check the frequently asked questions here. Scroll down and find the inquiry form. Choose your inquiry type. Now, type your name. Enter your account number. Then, enter your email address. Enter your phone number. Then, fill out the content of your inquiry by typing your question or concern. Click Check the Contents to review your details. Complete the Captcha verification. Now, click the button to send the inquiry. Our IS6FX team will respond to you within 24 hours. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!